Hi there. Today we're going to learn how to place a hold on an item through the library catalog. You're going to start by going to the library website, which is vapld.info for Vernon Area Public Library District. Once the page loads, click on the My Account button in the top right corner. Enter the 14 digits of your library card number and your PIN. If you don't remember your PIN, it's probably the last 4 digits of your phone number. If that doesn't help, select the Forgot My PIN button. Hit Login, and you'll go right to the catalog. Type the item that you're looking for into the search box. I'm going to type holes, and select the book you want to place on hold. Press Place on Hold. If you haven't logged in already, it'll ask you to log in. If you have, just confirm by placing Place Hold. You can check on your holds by going back up to the top and clicking the My Account button. If you click on the Holds tab, you can see your library holds. Those are physical items like books and DVDs, or your digital holds. In this case, I placed a hold on a digital ebook. I can see the title and the book cover, the status, and how far I am in the queue. If you need to suspend your hold, select your book and press the Edit or Suspend Holds button. You can then choose a date to suspend it to. This will pause your hold, so if you need to go on vacation or if you have too many books checked out already, you can come back to it later. In order to unsuspend your hold, select it again and press Cancel Hold Suspension. If I want to cancel this hold, I simply select it and hit Cancel Holds. I confirm, and I'm all done.